Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete other storage or system data in iPhone and iPad in any iOS version. The system data or other storage you will see under iPhone storage, and we are going to delete that one. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch the photo app and tap on album, scroll, tap on recently deleted, tap select and delete all. Next, launch settings and tap Safari and tap clear history and website data and tap again clear history and data to confirm. Next, launch WhatsApp, settings, media and storage, manage storage, and select the contact and the group that mostly take the storage. For example, I'm going to choose the first one and tap the first video. Now tap delete, and if you have a copy of this video, iPhone will show you delete all the copies. If you don't need it, then delete all the copies that will take the most storage in your iPhone and free up space from the WhatsApp. The Android user will clear cache or any application to make free space in your device. And in iPhone, we will do the offload app. For that, we have to launch settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage. Here, we will see which application will take the most storage. WhatsApp 3.63, Photos 1.94, and we have to delete the unusable or unnecessary things from the iPhone. And if you want to offload app, for example, if you want to offload the YouTube app, then tap on YouTube, tap offload app and offload app to confirm. After that, force close that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. And after the force restart, go back to App Store and re-download that application that you will do the offload. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.